Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. In this lecture, we are going to take a look at eyedropper tool. This is the one. Its keyboard shortcut is I. Now how to work with it? First of all, let's create an ellipse. Let's provide a fill color of blue. Let's create another ellipse. Let's make its color this orange. Yeah. Let's create another ellipse and let's make its color magenta. So now let's create another object. This time, say for example, we want to make its color this blue. What we will do? We will select the eyedropper tool and we will click on this color and say there you go. Now again let's create another object. This time we want its color to be this color. What we will do? We will select the eyedropper tool and we will just click on this object. I mean this color, that's it. Now let's click on this object, color, and see its color has become this color. Now let's create another ellipse. This time, say for example, you want the color of this ball to be this magenta. What you will do? First of all, you need to select this object. Okay? Then select the eyedropper tool. Then click on this color and see. So this is one purpose of this eyedropper tool. Now let's just go to window menu and make sure swatches panel is selected or is open. Let's maximize it a little bit. And now here we have an icon which is saying new swatch. Let's click on it and see its color is this one, right? Let's click on OK. Now let's select, using eyedropper tool, let's select this object color. Now it's blue, right? Let's create a new swatch and say now blue color is selected. Now we are creating another color with the color blue. Let's click on OK and see now this color got added. So why only this color? Let's select this color. And now again try to add another swatch. Now why it is selecting this color? You know why? Because here inside this color picker, this color is selected. That's why. So in designing, often you will come across some projects where you need only few colors. Only with few colors you are going to do a project. Only those specified colors. So what you can do is, let me delete all of these. Using the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle. Just a very small rectangle. Just for color, I'm saying, yeah. And just make its fill color this one. So these are the colors which you will be using in your project. Okay, say for example you have a project or you have a client who has asked you to design a project where you will be having only these 4 colors. He has mentioned you all the colors, all the color codes that you are going to implement in your project. Now you have, now what you did, you have created 4 rectangles where you have these colors. And you have started drawing your project. Say just like this, you have drawn a shape, another shape just like this. Okay, and yeah, another shape just like this. Now select this object, select the eyedropper tool, make its color this one. See how simple it is, right? Select this object, select the eyedropper tool, make its color this one. See? So this is how you can use the eyedropper tool. Yes, friend. This eyedropper tool is also very handy to work with your projects. And I guess that's it. We have covered all the tools. Yep, we have covered all the tools, all the necessary tools that are required to start creating awesome projects. And now we'll be creating few projects where, let me tell you in advance only, in one of our project we are going to design this metallic text. In one of our project we are going to create this juicy mango. And in another project we are going to design this sail banner and also this metallic uh, shape, you can say. And also we are going to create a really cool chart. Yeah, that we will do. Also we are going to design a really cool chart, and also we will see how we can color these charts and also how we can separate these charts. Yeah, I think by now you have already figured it out yourself. Yes, we can do that using direct selection tool. Yeah, okay. So are you excited? Well, I am. Okay guys, so now it's time to do some projects in this section to check that how much we have learned and what more we can do to create really cool stuff. So let's begin. Here I'm concluding this lecture. See you in our first project of this section. Till then, have fun, take care.